Hello friends, can you find the value of sine phi for the given question? Today we have trigonometrical problem number 2. So I am going to explain how to solve this type of problems. Let's start. If theta plus phi equal to pi by 2 and sine theta equal to 1 by 2, then the value of sine phi is, four options are given: 1, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and root 3 by 2. So first of all, we have given theta plus phi equal to pi by 2. This is given. And sine theta equal to 1 by 2. Both two values are given. Now from sine theta equal to 1 by 2, this implies sine theta equal to sine 30 degree. So this implies theta equal to 30 degree. So we have theta equal to 30 degree. Now substitute the value of theta in equation number 1. इसको first दे दें. So substitute the value of theta in equation number 1. We get 30 plus phi equal to pi by 2, and this implies phi equal to pi by 2 minus 30 degree. And we know that pi by 2 is 90, so phi equal to 60 degree. This implies sine phi equal to sine 60, and sine 60 equal to under root 3 by 2. So our answer is root 3 by 2. Sine phi equal to root 3 by 2, and 3 by 2 is this one. So fourth is correct. Fourth one is correct, under root 3 by 2. I hope you enjoyed today's video. For more such type of questions, there are the links in the description. Tomorrow I will be uploading next video. So please hit the bell icon to not miss the upcoming videos. Thank you.